EMS Consulting Group has been providing high-quality training for over 20 years. This brief video explains how our in-person training programs work. We have two types of in-person training. First, we offer fully instructor-led training, which is held at select hotel conference rooms. Most programs include 6 days of training. We also offer blended learning programs, which include 3 days of interactive in-person training plus online audiovisual presentations in our e-learning system and follow-up remote coaching, in some cases. In a fully instructor-led program, you will learn principles, methodologies, and tools and apply those in small group breakout sessions. For example, you might be creating value stream maps, working on defining or analyzing problems, brainstorming improvements, or setting up and analyzing a Lego production system with an aim toward creating flow to the customer. The blended learning programs were designed such that all of the key hands-on activities are done in class, and additional learning is achieved through follow-up online training. After the coursework has been completed, many of our certification programs include both a test, which is administered online, and a project to practice and demonstrate the learning. For blended learning programs, this is what the e-learning system looks like when you go to the website to log in. You will receive login instructions when you are enrolled in the course or after the in-person training sessions, depending on the course. After you have logged in, you will enter your course. In the e-learning system, each lesson has a short video to watch, and there are practice quiz questions after some of the video lessons. During this time, you will be able to reach out to your instructor with questions. Under the lesson entitled Course Slides and Notes, you can download a reference PDF that contains slides and notes that correspond to all of the e-learning videos you will watch. This is yours to keep after the class has been completed as a reference. Some courses are available for registration as an individual or small group, but all of them are available to be customized for our clients as needed. If you prefer fully self-paced training without the live sessions, we offer those e-learning courses as well. Some of the live programs offered include our Certified Lean Practitioner or Lean Certification Program, Lean Six Sigma certifications including Black Belt, Green Belt, and Yellow Belt. We offer a Lean Healthcare Certificate Program and a Lean Software Development Certificate Program. We also offer A3 Problem Solving, Value Stream Mapping, 5S, and other topics as in-person or virtual programs. These can be customized to suit your exact needs. What are the benefits of blended learning versus fully instructor-led? First, we have flexibility. Instead of requiring multiple trips, there is one 3-day block of hands-on training. This makes scheduling much easier. Next is cost. Travel cost is reduced, and supplementing live sessions with e-learning reduces overall cost further. Finally, blended learning offers the best of both worlds. You reap the benefits of hands-on, in-person training while minimizing cost. To learn more, visit our website at emsstrategies.com and click Contact Us with any questions.